Hello guys, and welcome to Spiral X. We are playing White Noise. It's a bit like Slenderman, but just a cheap Xbox version.
Which one are you?
I think that's me.
It's alright, it's alright.
Imagine me in a fucking scary.
Right.
Right, we'll split off this way. Yeah, I've created a public game so other people can join. Fucking blood step on.
Get out of fucking way.
Just get me, I'm a fucking skeleton clothes.
They're kind of following us. Just follow it round to the left. Have you got...
I'm leaving you.
There he is. Well.
He's trying to lose him. Now.
I don't know where I've gone.
I don't know which one's you. Is that you?
No, that's me.
That's you.
Yeah.
I'm coming.
Don't cough.
I was out of breath.
Are they following it?
Yeah, I think these guys are scared. No, it's like, okay, Afro on it. Not Afro, but... Look at air.
Right, I'm going...
I think these guys are scared.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I really want them to... Oh, it's there, I can see it. Are you ready for the first scare?
Oh shit. I think we should go left. That way. Turn your light up so we can't see you. If you're still following us. Ah, What's that? Like a big green dick out or what?
No,
Shit,
that's
no,
me.
okay, turn your light off and walk the way.
Can you...
Oh, one of them's following us. What's this?
Oh god, turn around.
Ah, shit!
Oh god, turn around.
Shit.
Have they seen
Grab.
it? Or is it
Because
gone?
that green thing's there.
Yeah.
Can we sneak past it?
Probably.
Oh, there's blood up float.
That's...
Right. We should go right here, where it's like no, we shouldn't. God's sake.
It's a bit less scary because there's 4 of us, but still.
No, I think he popped. Oh, good idea.
That's why he's just popped up, hasn't
He might have disappeared though. Oh
he?
my
Oh
god. I can hear one as well.
It's right in front of you.
Oh yeah. Okay.
I'm glad you're the brave one and going in front. Oh god, the blood.
Yeah, that's what I was. It's a nice place.
Yeah.
What was that? What was that?
Does it pop up when other person, one of them dies? Oh god, look at that on my...
Oh my... Oh shit.
I'm gonna say, does it pop up when someone dies or disconnects someone? Because he's probably shooting. He's probably got lost. Oh god.
We'll probably... Oh.
I don't really want to walk through it middle, but
You probably got too scared.
yeah. It's there.
Come back this way, let's go.
Is he still here?
Yep. Don't look behind you, that's number 1 rule.
Should we go up to the left? Very good.
I think we've been around in circle if we go that way.
Oh, if it like popped up in their windows.
God. Come on, come on. Last night we did find all 6.
Well, there's 8 of them.
Oh yeah, we found 6 out of 8.
You died after, like...
4. No, I think we're like 3.
Yeah, yeah. And I were walking around on my own, which was terrifying.
I kept scaring when they go.
There was a fly flying around and it kept landing on it.
Oh yeah, fucking scared shit out of me.
Think we need to go into the middle, to right. So we're going.
Let's go this way. Come on.
Oh. Look, this guy's here.
Yeah, you can go first. Come on, mate. Oh god, it's there.
Where? Okay. I don't mind getting him.
Just keep going, just keep going, just keep going, just keep going, just keep going.
Just pretend you're Nemo. Just keep swimming. And Dory. Just keep swimming.
Just keep running, there's a monster chasing you.
Just keep swimming.
Why is there a monster protecting like paper crackers? Trying to make light of the situation.
Oh god, go
turn the
to.
light off. It stops the fuzz. And then you're walking in darkness.
Are you still following me?
Yeah.
Where's that guy? Oh god, he's dead.
Shit.
He's dead. It's just this.
Oh, he's here. He ain't dead. He ain't dead. He ain't dead. He ain't dead.
What the fuck who died then?
I don't know, but it scared shit out of me. Unless like we were scared, yeah.
Yeah.
Scream.
I think I've been in here.
Ah, fucking hell. Oh.
Which way? We've been in there, I think.
I don't care, he was in that room you was walking in.
Where the fuck are you going?
Oh, fuck. Sake.
Oh, that makes it. Oh.
Come on, mate. It's just me and you.
He just looked at me. We've been this way. If we go through here, you gotta go left. We've been.
We're right, wouldn't it? Well, there wouldn't it? No.
We've been in there. Go straight on.
I've got shivers.
That's where we've just come from. Is he still there?
Yep.
I'll turn around.
Oh god, blood up, blood.
Don't know if...
I think... Come on, we can do this. How many have we found? 4?
I don't know. Let's turn around, let's see. Yeah, it's still there, it's following us.
Oh god, stop coughing.
I can't help.
It's crap. Oh, we've been here.
Do you want to turn around and go over?
Yep, I do. Yep, I do.
Go round to right then.
God, that scared me.
Just...
Oh my god, I think I need to lie down after this.
It sounds like he's right behind you.
Oh, what the fuck's that over there? Oh, that's where someone died. Oh, probably you. You just seen him. We got this.
Just don't know where it is. Oh, that's that faces. I didn't die in the face. Die in the faces.
Who else died? Unless someone rejoined.
So,
Come on, we can do this. We'll try to leave him.
it's sticking right behind you.
I think he's as scared as we are.
Why are you in a skeleton suit?
Hey, have you seen my face as well? I'm not turning around
I
actually.
know. It's just a skeleton mask, that's all. Yeah, go round to right.
Then, what do you mean?
I think it's...
Yeah, we'll go that way.
It's a dead end.
Fuck right off.
What the fuck the ceiling?
You scared shit out of me then.
It's a dead end.
Oh, why? Why? Oh, what the hell?
I can't see it. I can't hear static or
I'm kind of glad he's still alive. What the hell was that? I don't think we've been in here till left. Mummy.
I'm just like a scout. It looks promising. Yep.
Let's see.
He's round the side.
Oh, so is he.
Just walk up to him.
I'm not fucking looking round
No,
there.
walk up to finger press there.
You pick it
I
up.
can't pick it up.
Turn to pick it up. Send him a message. I'm in walk
No,
backwards.
keep going backwards. No, pick it up now. Out. This one.
Oh my god.
We're walking.
Come on. I don't care for being here. Come on, look at this. God's sake. Oh, why is he walking up wall?
Oh. I'm guessing we've not been in here then.
Don't want to go in there.
Oh, it's one of them.
I feel like double died. Oh, what the hell is this?
It's me there, just.
Scout the place. Why, sit and cry,
Can you hear one? I haven't seen
I
one.
can't see one in here. Get out, looks all the same.
I know. Oh god.
Oh. There's one round
There
there
it
as
is.
well.
That's it. Just don't know that you're gonna turn around afterwards.
Okay, I'll walk backwards.
Keep going.
6 out of 8, guys.
If we turn left.
Come on, one more.
Straight across.
Why's my light flickering?
Battery's really flat.
Just get out of here, just go.
There's a door opposite the left.
Right.
I think it might be the one to the right.
Well, I'll go that way then. Same bit you decided
Oh
to.
yeah, we've been in here.
Oh.
I'm just over to your left, so if I there, just
God.
oh god, has he left you?
It's dangerous to go alone. Ah, you friggin' piece of shit.
There's a.
I know it's dangerous to go alone.
I'm just over to your left when you turn around.
He's gonna come out and get me. You can't get me if I'm looking at the wall.
No, it's because you're alone. I don't know where he's gone. Where's there? I can see a light.
Shit.
Sorry, I've left you gone looking for him.
Cheers.
Oh, what the fuck? Has he died? Where's that? Whose body's that?
You got a quiff on?
Yeah, he's got.
It's him. Shit. Come on. Do this for the team. Reeves, they got wall over there. Sounds like the right behind me.
I don't know where you are.
I don't know where I am.
I'm just a scared walking on my own and note pops up. Oh, I think I'm in the same room as you. When you saw that green thing on the wall, where did you turn?
Right? I don't know.
Oh, I've just seen a light.
Come on. Oh god, video.
Oh, I can see a light. I found you. Go to the right instead.
Big right. So that's where we came. Coffins. Over here as well. Why is it staring inside?
There's not. In some places, there's not actually a roof. We traded. We come in.
I don't know.
Oh, we came in from left because I got it from there. And we must have gone out that door.
Car, dragon.
Was that what? That's not me. That's not my ghost.
Dead body there. That might be where you died.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, I think so. He's gone that way. Run.
Come check it out.
I think he's coming round to the left. So don't go.
Where's this other two? Come on. Oh god, that's you. Oh, that's not him.
Well, that's me. We've been in here. Which way did we come from? We came from that way and then from
Came from other way.
Torching. Are you coming? Where have you gone?
Yeah, I went right.
Just go again.
The video. keep finding... I'm going around in circles.
Are you sure?
Hey look, body here. When he died.
Well, if we go back to that torture room or cutting room or whatever it was. What we got one out of there.
Yeah. Oh my god. Kind of want to just come out and scare me.
Because you've not seen him in that long.
Yeah, yeah. Just building up tents. Right, where do we go from here? Oh my god. That guy behind me.
I've gone opposite way looking for it. I'm guessing it'll be middle somewhere because we keep seeing to walking around edge.
I hate going in there.
It's probably in.
Probably would be as well. I hate this game.
I think I found a new room.
Ah, you fucker! Jesus Christ. 6 out of 8, not bad.
We're getting there. Did I have to 7 minutes? Were I walking around for 14 minutes?
Probably. You what?
I walked more than everyone else. For some reason.
Let's see.
If it's where I was walking to end, I think I got to a new place.
I'm One Piece.
Three pieces there.
A scare attack there when you died. Probably went round themselves.
Well, at least we know that top half at Max covered.
Oh, we actually came back down. Found a piece there. Oh, actually went quite... Oh, we went back to the beginning.
Oh, in a different ways. Yeah, I was just about to get somewhere where we'd not been before.
Okay. Oh my god.
Thank you for watching.
If you want to see us play again, 5 likes. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
5 likes and we'll consider it.
We have to. 5 likes and we'll play again. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.